Hi guys, Chris here at Phillips Chevrolet. I'm here with Bob and Debbie and Henry. They just purchased a brand new 2017 Equinox. How was everything today?
Everything was great. It was a great experience. We enjoyed coming in. We were treated very fairly and very courteously. We went through a long process before we found the exact car we wanted. Chris did a great job of bringing cars out until we found the one we wanted. Very happy and great cost.
Cool. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, guys. Come see us.